So what you need to do is grab yourself the data cable and a computer. Okay, so it has to be a working computer which is on, and you need to connect the two devices via a data cable. Now the cable that comes in the box of your tablet should work just fine because that's a proper data cable. But of course, you can use any data cable as long as you've connected to the tablet to the computer. Now, the next thing you want to do is do a button combo. So we're going to put this in recovery mode. So we're going to long press the power and volume down buttons to force a shutdown. And as soon as it shuts down, you're going to switch to volume up while still holding the power button. And then as soon as you see the Samsung logo as the phone is starting up, let go of the power button and continue holding volume up. And hopefully that's going to boot the tablet into recovery mode so that you can proceed with the hard reset. Okay, so press and hold, power, volume down. Let's just make sure the screen is on. Okay, power, volume down, press and hold. Just keep holding, ignore what you see on the screen. Just keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. There you go, screen goes dark. I'll count to 3, switch to volume up while still holding power button. I'm just waiting for that Samsung logo now. There you go. Then I'll let go of the power button and continue holding volume up, and that should put the tablet in recovery mode. Now you might have to try 1 or 2 times in case you don't get it right the first time, but that is basically how to do it. Now inside recovery mode, you scroll using the volume rockers. So volume down will scroll down and volume up will scroll up. And basically what you're looking for is wipe data / factory reset. Once you get it, select using the power button, and then it's going to tell you this will wipe all your data. Now keep in mind that this is a hard reset, so it's going to wipe all your user data. So all your photos, videos, all your accounts are going to get erased. Okay, so confirm. So scroll down to factory data reset and confirm using the power button, and that's going to wipe all the data from the tablet. You can see at the bottom here it says data wipe complete, so that means our factory reset is complete. Now make sure reboot system now is highlighted, and then press